Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with a collective haul, and joining me again today is my daughter, Emmy.
Hi!
So here we're gonna have some items from TJ Maxx Tuesday morning, Target, and Michael's. We're starting off the haul with this wonderful 5-piece set. Backpack, what a super deal. How much was this again? It was $16.99.
Yep, and it has so much stuff.
Right, we have your lunchbox. What else do we have here?
We have the water bottle, the pencil case, and this little storage thing.
The storage pouch here. And this whole backpack is also filled with goodies. So we're going to look at each one of them and show you. So let's start off with what's in our little lunchbox. I love that you can take it off, so if you need to wash it, you can do that. Okay, let's have a look, Ems. See, show them what we have in there.
Okay. Oh, it's a cute little puppy. I love puppies.
A cute little puppy figure. We are dog lovers. Look how cute this is. It's for $1. And what's the other item we have in there? What else is in there?
An owl.
So we have an owl, and we're giving this to her 3rd grade teacher. The mascot in Emmy's elementary school are owls. And we have one more item in here.
What is this? It's a pencil putty thing.
Pencil putty thing in a number 2 looking pencil container. How cute is that? So Emmy is opening up the bead putty. So it looks like it's going to be textured putty. Let's have a look. Ooh, a lot of wrapping here. Let's see. Take that off. And how does this open? I think it's this way.
Yeah.
Look at those. I don't know if you guys can see that.
I can feel like the beads. It's very, very textured.
So we have a textured. Oh, yeah, that is super textured.
And you can actually take out the beads. Like, I took out this little bead right here.
Right. Oh, wow. I love that you can use this container again to put away your putty so it's not all over the place. So that is awesome.
And you also love putty.
Yes. Next, let's have a look what's in this pouch. So Emmy is going to pull out some items. First one here, what do we have? We have a stamp and ink pad kit. This is perfect for travel. I love it. It's summer. It says Sunny State of Mind. It has 4 stamps. You also have an acrylic block. So it's $12.99, regularly priced, and it was on sale for $3.90. And look at this adorable ink pad set. You have 4 different colors.
It's so cute.
I love it. So we can definitely pack it in here in our bag. Use it in our traveler's notebook when we journalize. Let's see what the next item is.
There are 2 washi tapes.
So we have 2 washi tapes. These were also 70% off. And I noticed in my washi collection, I don't have any summer washies. I have a lot of spring washi. So I decided to get one of these. So we have a pretty thick one here with the beautiful summer theme here. And we have toucans. What else do we have in here?
Flamingos.
Flamingos and pineapple. And then here's another one with the swan swan theme here with the nice pinks and silver foil. These were $1.50 each. The next one, Emmy, show them what you got.
I couldn't stop playing with these, like when we were like checking.
Look at these patches. They are self-adhesive and they are double-sided. That means, show them how it works.
They're flippy.
They're flippies. So we have a mermaid here and a pineapple. Again, perfect for the summer theme. Love this.
Turns pink.
Right. And what color is this one? Let's have a look.
It's a
oh, this one
lighter
just
blue.
flips. Yeah. Pretty nice. These were on sale as well for 60 cents. Next, we're going to have a look and see what's in this backpack. But first, Emmy and I found this. She is clearly a big fan of unicorns, just like I am when I was growing up. Take a look at this cute.
I love unicorns, and I love this one.
That is a cute horn. So this is by Glitzy Clips, and they're regularly, I think, $5. Let's see. Yeah, $5. We used our 40% coupon and got it for $3. So now let's have a look at the small pocket here. And see, I see something cute.
So cute. It's Valentine's Day.
So it's a Valentine's Day theme postcard booklet, and this is from Tuesday morning. I mean, look how adorable these are. We get 30 postcards, and
it has animal love puns in it.
I will put the SKU there. And what did you say, Ems?
It has animal love puns in it.
Here's a closer look at our postcards. The first one has this cute hedgehog, and here is the pun.
It says, "Stick with me." That one says, "You make me so happy."
And then we have bees. "Honey, you are so sweet." This one says, "Love bug." Bear hug.
I love that one.
Yeah, that was cute. "You see my true colors." What a cute chameleon. How about this one? That's so cute.
It says, "You are so dear to me."
You are so dear to me, and you're such a sweetheart. How cute.
You are my partner in crime. That's all.
You're my partner in crime.
So cute.
I'm nuts about you. You leap into my heart.
Sealed with a kiss. I will always love you. I love you. It's so cute.
Look at this.
I long for you. And guys, he's a long.
Yeah. Oh, what a cute cat.
It says,
You're perfect. And then you have, I think, 2 of each or 3 of each of these cards. The next item we purchased was from Target Dollar Spot. It's an adorable card with some silver foil here. I love the image on the front. It looks like an art piece. And look at the back of the envelope.
It's like a washi tape heart.
Yeah, so we have pieces of tape that form the shape of a heart. $1 for a set of 6 cards in envelope. What's our next item, Emmy?
It's a finger yo-yo.
A finger yo-yo for $1.
It has instructions on the back.
That's right. And then from Home Goods, we saw this at the clearance aisle and thought, again, fits that summer theme. Look at this cute watermelon. This was $3. It was missing its little sliding rod here that holds the tape. But we'll show you what we did. We cut out a little paper straw until you have your little rod there. So we'll show you if that works with the washi in just a sec. So here's a look at the dispenser. Emmy picked this little washi tape here with some fruit. So now we can use this, and that little straw helps hold the tape in. The next item I found at the Target Dollar Spot was this wonderful mouse pad, $3. And it's nice and soft and perfect for my daughter Lil, who is in need of a new one. And lastly, Emmy got
this snack container.
Snack container for $1. Flips open, easy to carry and wash. Let's look at our next item. The next item again is the last item we found at the Dollar Spot. And from my previous haul, I showed you some recipe cards I got from there as well. And I thought this binder is perfect. It says recipes.
I know.
So if Emmy and Lil decide to learn how to cook, I will be listing some recipes here that they can follow. Now let's have a quick look through and see what it looks like inside. So this binder will definitely hold many recipes that I'm sure the girls will enjoy through the years. And I'll put a couple pockets here to hold those index cards that I've previously purchased from the Dollar Spot. The next item is from Half Price Books, and it is
a Geronimo Stilton book. And it's also one of the part of the Kingdom of Fantasy.
And it's $7.49, so we got it for a discounted price. Just look at these adorable illustrations. And the story is pretty good and interesting.
It's a really good story.
So Emmy's been getting into dragons, so she found another book. Let's have a look and see what the next book is. How to Train Your Dragon. I love the movies. We enjoy watching that with the family. For $3.99. The next book, another dragon book. Show them.
The Dragonology Handbook.
And this was at their clearance aisle for $2. The nice thing about this book, it has some interactive pages. Let's open that.
Card.
And it's a report card. Let's have a look. It says, it has reading, writing, and then it has, oh my gosh, somebody scored really low, 37%.
And the dictionary.
Dictation there and other things. And the highest was geography. So that's super cute. And you have a beautiful illustration of a dragon on this side.
2 dragons.
2 dragons, you're right. I see one and one. If you look here, I love the vintage look to this book. Another envelope holding a little goodie there. I love the illustrations. Again, for $2, not bad. And then you have some reading dragon script and other fun facts about dragons. And another book, another dragon book. What else do we find?
Is Dare to Care Pet Dragon.
So this one regularly retails for $17.99. It was $4.99. So if you have a half-price books and you have kids that love these types of books, I think it is worth going to, so you get it at a discounted price. So here's a quick look through at some of the pages. Some fun facts again, all about dragons. And then I also found, I've been taking interest in junk journaling, found this beautiful Brave Little Deer. It has some writing on it, but we can definitely take that page out. So you have different pages, and I love the textured pages on some of the illustrations here. I'll probably keep this page, and I'll show you what I do when I make the junk journal for this book. Another dragon book. We have one more here.
It's The Night of the Ninth Dragon.
$6.49. It's by Mary Pope Osborne. Really popular series for elementary school students. So super cool. So this is great for summer reading for EMS. So, and then there's a few more books here. I love Winnie the Pooh. My older daughter grew up watching this, and one of the movies that she liked a lot was When Winnie Meets the Heffalump. So this was on clearance for $1. And I love the illustrations again. I am planning to keep it as is, or I may change my mind and make a mini little junk journal out of it. So not bad for $1. And then, what do we have next, Sams?
Classic Children's Tales.
And this was on clearance as well for $2. Beautiful classic tale book. And really nice illustrations here. Look at that, so cool. So again, I can't wait. I am still deciding if I will make it part of my children's book collection or use it as a junk journal. The last item I purchased from Half Price Books is this journal book. It's called The Story of My Life for $6.99. It's a Q&A type journal. It has writing prompts that pertain to your family history, your life, some memories. So I thought this would be a perfect journal to carry on if you're traveling and you don't want to read but you want to journalize, or even journalize at home and answer all these interesting questions. They have different sections. Here's one. Let's have a look. It says Young Adult and First. And there's just so many fun questions to answer. And here's one that says the most memorable family holiday was. You can put a picture and then journalize. Here's another one. Top 10 time list your favorite foods and drinks that your parents made. The list goes on, so I think this will be fun to do. Next up, we went to Tuesday morning and I stocked up on
a mother load of tapes.
So we have the this and that, and they come in different sizes here. So different widths and stuff. I use them a lot when I make my journals or I do my flip books and other projects. My favorite so far has been Home Hobby. So I decided to just get a bunch and in different sizes. As you can see, we have 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch here. These are easier to apply and pull off that white covering on the adhesive. This one's a little bit, you have to really press it down, a little harder to take off. But I'm not going to bore you with tape. We did find a few more items that were really nice. What do we have here, Ems?
We have stamps, and it has tons of food. It has a cheeseburger, a taco, a lollipop, an ice cream, a pie,
so
a bunch
many
of food.
different stamps. It'll be perfect for planning. This is by Bo Bunny. I am going to put the SKU at the top there. So $2.99, 45 different stamps. And for every occasion, for food, you have some fall, some beverages here. It says it's
and
raining.
summer stuff. See,
and my favorite, also crafty, create. Love, let's eat, then let it snow, it's pouring, and bring on the summer. We have another stamp set. Let's have a look at that. So here...
It has a bunch of birds on it.
It does have a bunch of birds. I love that theme. Do you see the swallow? And this one is by Hampton Art. $3.99. And the SKU's up there. Not only a stamp, we also have this beautiful stencil at the bottom, so it'd be perfect for mixed media art journaling. I love this peacock. How pretty is that? This is a crow, and then we have all these other stamps, another feather, little cage, and then we have a little saying here. What else do we have, Ems?
Well, speaking of stencils, we have more stencils.
So another stencil, it kind of mirrors exactly the same design. But I don't mind bringing a small one with me, and I like the size of this, perfect for a traveler's notebook. We have this square one by Heidi Swap. It's $1.99, and it is a lattice style stencil. So
just
again,
like a rug.
Like a little rug, yeah. I'll put the SKU up there. And then we found another fun item.
Butterflies.
Butterflies for 99 cents. We have that burlap look. And it's a dimensional sticker of butterflies in different sizes.
Next item is these brads.
So we have these brads by Cartabella.
And it has this guy on it.
The sailor, so it has a sailing kind of theme here. I love the color combinations. These are beautiful. You can definitely use it in mail and journalizing. The last item is a ephemera pack from Echo Park. So I got a couple of them. I'm going to be gifting or including one of the other ones to a friend. So here is the first one. Look how pretty that is. I'm really a mermaid. What else do we have, Ems?
A mermaid tag.
A mermaid tag.
It says mermaid's kisses, starfish wishes.
That's cute. Another tag perfect for summer journaling.
Yes, keep swimming.
And look at this, just keep swimming. We have this little pop out card says say yes to new adventures, and you can actually use this part as your frame, and then you can just put that in your journal. What else do we have?
Let's be mermaids.
Let's be mermaids.
I love this little crab.
That is cute. So there's a crab in that kit. We have a few more of these adorable tags.
And this adorable fish.
Adorable.
And this adorable jellyfish.
Jellyfish, a tab. Hello, gorgeous. Swim like a mermaid.
See sun sail.
Nice. The land of make-believe. And then we have this other one here.
It spells, they have letters to spell girl.
Oh, how cool. So we have like banner looking paper here that spells girl, a whale.
Mermaids.
Have more fun. Oh, how cute.
Fishy.
Little fishy. And a cute little postcard. Adorable. Hope you enjoyed this collective haul. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner.
Bye.